Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yet once again, I'm back with another video, you guys. And I know y'all wondering why I'm sitting up so close. Well, you probably know by the title. But I wanted to show you guys how I do my eyebrows, okay? It's real simple, real quick. This is for beginners. This is for people that just want to do, something to their eyebrows or may not have thick eyebrows. Actually, I think my eyebrows are pretty thin, but the way that I do my eyebrows, I don't even get my eyebrows threaded or waxed anymore, okay? First of all, it saves a few bucks. Second of all, when they mess up, it's like no fixing it, literally. And third of all, my eyebrows are just not that thick, okay? So, again, how I do my eyebrows is I just tweeze them here above and underneath, and that's pretty much it. So I just kind of clean it up. Every now and again I'll use a razor, not really too much, but yeah, so that is that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I do my eyebrows, okay? So basically what you will need, ladies, is just an eyebrow pencil. It doesn't matter what type of pencil. It can be just a regular pencil. It can be, one of these where you kind of screw the top up. Don't use black, never use black, okay? Another thing, they have this one here with like the little eraser on the bottom, and then this one is like a screw up one as well. So you can use pretty much any one. Again, don't use black. I hate the way that it looks. It looks horrible, okay? So if you have a eyebrow brush, I suggest you use that because that is going to help you. And then just a flat brush like this one here so that you can put the concealer on. So first things first, I am just going to use my pencil. And this is just a Jordana pencil. It's just a regular pencil, nothing fancy. In fact, it was probably like 99 cents at the beauty supply. So I'm just going to come here. From the bottom, it's kind of like you're outlining your eyebrows. I don't know if you guys color or used to color or whatever, but you basically just outline your eyebrows. So I'm going to go bottom and then I'm going to go top. And then I kind of want to do like a V-shaped tail on the end. And I love doing my eyebrows like this, okay? And then I'm just going to fill it in now. When my hair used to be like burgundy, I used to do burgundy eyebrows. That's a fun fact. So it looks very much drawn on, right? But we're going to use this brush here to kind of just clean it up a little bit. And basically what you're doing is allowing it to not look so drawn on. So you're just kind of, filling it in, and kind of cleaning it up, if you will. Okay, so see, it looks so much more natural now. It looks so much better. Yours does not have to be that long. Sometimes mine are like that, and that's cool, okay? So then we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. And I'm just looking off to the side in this mirror right here. But yeah, you guys, your eyebrows will never be exactly the same. You could try as many times as you like, but they will never be exactly the same unless you're using some type of tattoo picture or something. Okay, so that is the other eyebrow. So now I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up. I'm just going to brush it in just so that it looks more natural and not so drawn on. Okay, so now I am going to use my Born This Way. This is Too Faced Concealer, you guys, in Maple. Now, here's the thing. You don't have to have any fancy concealer. You can use any concealer, you guys. Any concealer. And so with this one, it has a little brush on it. So I like to just put a little bit here on my hand. And then the flat brush that I want you guys to get, you just dab that. And you do the same thing, you just line it up. So I'm gonna go underneath. And I like to do mine in kind of like an arched shape. And then I'll just kind of color it with that. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing up top. Okay, and then we'll do the same thing to the exact other side. And then we're gonna go underneath. Okay. So now I am going to use this little sponge. But anyway, so we'll just use this one here. So basically, you're just going to kind of clean it up. That's your motive, to just clean it up. That's it. And again, we'll do the same thing on top. You're just cleaning it up and, you know, smearing it in. And that's pretty much it. Then you can kind of clean it up in the middle. And there you go, the perfect brow. Well, let me not say perfect, because they're not perfect. But, I mean, they look good enough for me. And so that is pretty much it. It's really simple, really easy. And yeah, so that is it for this video. If you guys like it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I have more videos on the way. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.